Tip number 1 is Editor and AI suggestions. Word's built-in editor now goes beyond basic grammar and spelling. It provides suggestions for clarity, conciseness, and even tone, helping you write more professional and polished documents in less time. Tip number 2 is Styles and Themes. Instead of manually formatting headings, paragraphs, and fonts, use Word's preset styles or create your own. Updating a style automatically applies changes across the entire document, which is perfect for long reports or multi-section projects. Tip number 3 is Navigation Pane for quick editing. Press Ctrl+F to open the pane, jump between headings, or rearrange sections with drag and drop. This is a huge time saver for long documents, making organization faster and more intuitive. Tip number 4 is Quick Parts and Auto Text. If you often reuse text, like signatures, disclaimers, or standard phrases, save them as reusable blocks. You can insert them anywhere in seconds, eliminating repetitive typing and reducing errors. Tip number 5 is Read Aloud and Accessibility Checker. Listening to your document read out loud helps catch mistakes your eyes may miss, while the accessibility checker ensures your documents are easy to read for everyone, including those using screen readers. Tip number 6 is Track Changes and Comments. Collaboration has never been easier. With these tools, multiple people can edit a document, leave suggestions, and provide feedback without the need for multiple files or confusing email threads. Accepting or rejecting edits takes just a click. And tip number 7 is keyboard shortcuts and productivity hacks. From Ctrl+Shift+N to reset formatting to Alt+Shift+Up-Down arrow to move paragraphs, mastering shortcuts in Word can shave hours off repetitive tasks and keep your focus on writing instead of menus. By using these 7 tips, editor, styles, navigation pane, quick parts, read aloud, track changes, and keyboard shortcuts, you'll not only save time, but also make your documents look cleaner, more professional, and easier to work with. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, tech tips, and productivity hacks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.